Have you thought about flipping in an uncertain market? Is it even possible, or is it worth it? Come inside, let me show you. So we're at a client's house here, and he's going to be flipping this property. As you know, the market is very uncertain right now. It's not a seller's market where prices are skyrocketing every month. But in this market, if you're going to get involved in a flip, you cannot just do a simple cosmetic renovation and just change the color of the cabinets, change the floors, give it a paint job, and call it a day, and hope to make $50,000, $100,000. It's not going to happen. So what do you need to do to make it happen, to make it work? You got to change big things, add much value, open up the walls, create open concept, change the layout of the floor plan, add a basement apartment, add cathedral ceilings, create wow factors, light fixtures. Lighting, you should see some of these light fixtures that we create, even when we stage properties. These light fixtures just create, whoa, like you want to actually dine in that dining area. You want to cook in that kitchen. You want to live in that basement apartment, not the dungeon, but a basement apartment that's been underpinned, that's been opened up with natural light. There's so many ideas. Call me, subscribe. You'll get so much more